Hey, value traders, is crude oil going to reverse to the downside?
Value trades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's Market Blast, let's take a look at dollar CAD, euro dollar, gold, and WTI. Before we start, let's inform all the value traders that the format of these videos will change slightly from now on. You will see the Market Blast videos on Mondays and Thursdays from now, and they will include both fundamental and technical analysis. Also, every 2 weeks we will publish a special video on trading certain instruments. Getting back to WTI on the weekly chart, we can see that crude is still in a downtrend from last year with price action trying to break this key level of resistance at $88. The daily chart tells the same story, and we can see that on both charts the stochastic oscillator is overbought. However, this is not the time to sell from the technical aspect. We will want to wait for a downturn in our indicators and perhaps the signal line of the MACD moving out of the histogram. We have the same situation on the 4-hour chart, and many analysts are predicting prices to fall based on recessionary fears and a downtrend in the Chinese economy. The same analysts are predicting a rise in the price of gold based on the falling price of WTI and Brent. This may be true, but from the technical side we see bearish indications on the daily chart with price action just bouncing off the upper trend line. We may want to wait then and perhaps see if the MACD signal line passes above the zero into the bullish territory. Also, keep an eye on the US dollar, even though we don't have much market-moving news this week. However, we have lots of euro news this week from the ECB speeches, retail sales, employment, and GDP. As well, if the price of crude changes, as we mentioned earlier, this will always affect the Canadian dollar, and we have an interest rate decision, a PMI, a speech, and employment data out this week. We saw bad GDP figures last week, which accounted for this volatility, and we have mixed strength and weakness on Canadian dollar pairs. Regarding the euro economic news, we see general weakness, so watch the news to drive price action against the trend for some selling opportunities this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Value Trade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Value Trades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Value Trades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.